We are the source manufacturer of automatic spot welding machines. We can customize all kinds of automatic spot welding machines for you. This fully automatic intermediate frequency spot welder is for welding of car battery boxes. It adopts automatic positioning and automatic welding. It has high welding precision and good effect. It can meet all kinds of rigorous tests of major automobile factories. Our fully automatic spot welding machines are widely used in automobile manufacturing, sheet metal parts, chassis cabinets, ships, home appliances, kitchen utensils and other industries. We are the largest manufacturer of automatic spot welding machines in China. We are the source of automatic spot welding machine manufacturers, reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. OEM ODM available. Subscribe to our channel for more machine information.